Hi everybody, this is Andy from Skills from You Media, bringing the latest reviews, tutorials and creative experience online. And today I'm going to be teaching you some new Excel skills. So make sure you like the video, share the content and subscribe to our channel. Let's give this a go. Why hi there everybody, and welcome back to video number 3, where we're designing a fancy or very cool navigation front sheet for your Excel spreadsheets, which links in with other tabs. So far we've designed this picture here which will link into a company video. We've also done these links over here. So let's see within this video here if we can complete the rest of the presentation. So first of all, we're going to insert the other images into these parts here. So again, I'm going to go into my image resource, and what we want to be doing, maybe within your spreadsheet your company does KPIs, or what they call key performance indicators, which shows how your company is actually performing, and within this spreadsheet you would keep that data, or even keep the results. So pretty much within the spreadsheet you've got your customer contacts, you've got your KPIs, and it all links in together. Or you could actually link it to an outside spreadsheet. So what I did there is I grabbed one of the images from our Pix resource over here, which we got from royalty-free images. Place the image in there. I'm just going to do a little bit of formatting to fit within the box, and within this box, KPIs, the text box, change that to KPIs, key performance indicators. So this would be, how your company's doing financially, delivery records, quality, etc., which most corporate companies do these days. So that's that box completed. Again, what you could do is you could link that to another sheet. So let's just call that KPI. I'm just going to grab that home button which we designed earlier and just copy that, paste it in there so it's easy to navigate around, which that didn't happen there. So I'll just do that again. I'll go back to customer, right click, copy, go back to the KPI sheet. So there you go, link back. Right click on the image. So if you remember to link to another tab, click on hyperlink and then select place in document and then select KPI. And again, just to cover the link, do the same thing with the text box, link it just like that. Okay, brilliant stuff. Okay, so what else do we have here? Your company might have social events, and you might within this spreadsheet have put your social events in there. You could make this an automated dashboard that you could put on the LCD screen within your company, which could also loop through the different sheets here automatically. And it's always good within companies to show, that you've got social events happening. So I've grabbed the social events image, again from, this is royalty-free image. So I'm just going to drag that, smite up a little bit, just so it fits with the rest of the format of the page, just like so. Now, that's about right. And then we go in here, company, social events. Again, we could add another tab, social, grab that home button, as we could come back and design that a little bit later on, but at least you've got the image there. Okay, so from here, I'm just going to add a line around the outside. So what we could do, you could add, let's see what like a drop shadow would look like. So I'm just going to add a solid line here. A little bit of a drop shadow, just to see what that looks like. Line, So that looks pretty cool. So I've added a line round there, a white border, and then added drop shadow, and I could copy the format of that. So I've selected the image, copied the format, and that didn't work. I think I need to take off the hyperlink off the other image before I actually going to do that. So I'm actually going to take the line out of there. But it's up to you. It depends how you want your presentation to actually look. Okay, so let's move on. So shall we fill some of the images down the bottom here? So again, go to Pics. Okay, so let's say your company might want to show savings or finances. So I've clicked the image of the little piggy bank. Again, that looks nice and modern and clean. Lots of white space there, or spare space, blank space within that image. Again, just dragging there. And I'm going to put in here savings, because most corporate companies do like to make a saving. Finances. And again, you know, the images don't have to, the hyperlink doesn't actually have to link within this spreadsheet. You could hyperlink it to either a network drive or even, you know, another document outside this spreadsheet. So you can do that. Obviously you can do it from here, or you can do it to a web page, or whatever, or you can link it to whatever drive. Okay, so it doesn't always have to be within the spreadsheet. So I'm just going to create a tab here anyway called savings. Actually, you should call it finances. So we'll just link that, right click, hyperlink, and go to finances, click OK. Do the same thing with the text box down here. Select the text box, right click, hyperlink, go to the finance tab, and then that's that done. So just make sure that within your finance page you've got a button that goes back to home. So it's just easy to navigate around. So I go to there. If I want to go to Hot Topics, go to Hot Topics. Again, easy. This is what you want. Usability or user interface that is easy to use. Okay, so it's really self-explanatory. You just click on images and easy to move around. Okay, that's what you want as a user for all different types of things. Okay, so what else could we add on here? So we've got some images here. So we might have some corporate messages. Or you might even have, your company might actually have audits. So you could have within your spreadsheet list of up and coming audits that are taking place within your company. But again, it really depends what type of industry you're actually based within, and then you can specify within the sheet up and coming audits, so it's all listed. So the idea is pretty much, if you can make this an automated dashboard, if you have it up on an LCD display, you know, your internal stakeholders, your management can see what is actually going on within your department and demonstrate that you've got everything under control. So again, I've clicked on the image and right click, hyperlinks it back to the audits. Same thing again. Right click, hyperlink, audits. Again, make sure you've got a navigation button that goes back to your home page, like so. And then from here, obviously you can add realistically, anything you actually desire. You could have, maybe you have training within your company and you want to link it back, or link everything back, or to like a training package. So let me just select one of these images here. Just going to copy that, place that within the box there. Now, also you can like type over the top of these images by adding a text box like we did up the top here. So what I'm going to do here, just for time purposes, I've selected that text box. I'm just going to paste it there, and I'm just going to put in here training. Training courses. So maybe within your spreadsheet you'd have a list of training courses that you offer your employees, and you want to make those training courses visible. So all I'm doing there is just aligning it up. Again, you can mess around with the formatting a little bit. You've probably got a lot more time, rather than we've got 10 minutes to do some of these videos. So if you remember rightly, we want to make that a group. Okay, so I've selected that text box, press Control, and I'm going to click on that back image, and then I'm going to right click to make sure it's all selected and select group. Okay, maybe create a tab that says training courses, training. But again, remember what I said about you can link this to an outside source, or even within a net drive, work drive, or even to your internet page. Right click on the image, hyperlink, place in document, training. Okay, brilliant stuff. See, we're actually nearly there. Training courses. And last of all, we've got this bit down the bottom here. So I'm just going to go to images here, see what we've got. And you may want your employees to make suggestions or ideas boards. So again, you could create a tool, or you could make this tool something that your employees can make suggestions. So they could log into this tool, and you could have a user form, or create a VBA user form that they can add their suggestions onto this board. So it could be interactive. Okay, so big ideas, big thinking. That's what they like in corporate companies. Okay, so just need to take that, place in there, and there. Notice that the actual font has actually changed as well, even though it was in Arial, but it's okay. Let's go back. It's a problem when you actually start putting all these links in. As soon as you start clicking on the boxes, it starts linking back. So, big ideas. Big ideas. Okay, so this big ideas page, just going to grab one of those home buttons. So it's easy to navigate around. Great stuff. Paste in there. Big ideas. And we just link that. So from there, gone to image, hyperlink, place in document, big ideas, done. Same thing with the text box, assign macro. I don't want to assign macro, assign hyperlink. My apologies. Place in document, big ideas. Just make sure we've got the link to all these other text boxes as well. Training. So again. So there we go. So let's just go and save that. Make sure you save it always. So that is pretty much complete. And obviously it doesn't look amazing without, let's just go and click on the view, and what you can do, view full screen. See how pretty awesome is that? I mean, we've created that in the space of half an hour, and you know, that is something that will look great within a corporate company, or also easy to navigate around. So you can imagine also you could have maybe training packages you're doing within your company, and you want to have easy links to those. So you could design a spreadsheet that links all of those different training packages, or how to do guide within a spreadsheet. So anyway, I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you very much for watching. Please make sure you subscribe to our channel, and I shall catch you on the next video. Thank you very much. See you later.